What advice do you have for future Yiddish students?
I mean, I guess like with studying any language, like, you know, don't be frustrated and like there is a learning curve. Um, I think also people have different levels of exposure to it with their experience with Hebrew letters or like different, you know, references in their houses or something like that. So it's so people are coming with like different advantages and different deficits, I guess, in terms of their knowledge. And so just like be prepared for that, I guess, that it's not like learning French or something like that, where if people come into a class where nobody speaks French, like it's French 101, then probably everyone will know the same amount as each other. But because Yiddish has such strong cultural ties, people will it'll be a little more uneven, but I think that'll make it like a more rich experience and you'll learn more from your classmates, I guess. Okay, I guess my main point is that I think Yiddish is best learned in groups. That's, yeah, there you go. Or like with a partner at least to, yeah, puzzle through things together.